G'day, it's Lee from HydroClean. Just doing a quick little video here, educating everybody on how to see if their air conditioner actually needs cleaning. So as you see, standard air conditioner unit here. Now you want to make sure it's turned off. You might have it at the main switches there, but we've got a separate one here to flick the power off. But what you do is just open it up. You'll have two little spots on the side. Pull it, pop it up, and it'll stay open. Now you'll have the little air filters here. You can just pop those out and slide it out, and you see on that one, I mean, they're quite filthy. You want to dust these off regularly, about every 3 months or so, but obviously as required, and you can do that yourself. And then in behind that, you've got the coil, and then that will also, as you'll be able to see, it's got a lot of filth already growing up in there, and dust and particles. So you get a bit of an idea of what's in the back by opening up your louvers there. Get yourself a decent, good quality torch, and just shine right in there, and you'll be able to see. I mean, and this has got mold actually growing, and that's not even going to wipe off. You need to get a professional in to clean that out. It continues right up the back into the fan there. So basically what's happening is all the air is filtering through your home, through those units, and then coming out and blowing onto you. But all right, so there you have it. I mean, plain and simple, that needs to be cleaned. You need to get that sorted out for your family. So give the guys at HydroClean a call, get it done professionally, and you'll be amazed at the results you get.